TikTok is no longer paying. TikTok is no longer paying creators. Creators are no longer getting paid on TikTok. Before I got into the Creators Reward Program, I used to hear a lot of things about the monetization program. And me, I felt like the number of views I get on my videos equals the amount of money I'm going to make, until I got into the program. When I got into the Creators Reward Program, that was when I realized that creators are being paid peanut, especially after the transfer of ownership from last year when US and TikTok were doing 1 or 2. TikTok is now being managed by the US. And after that change, after that transfer, there was a lot of change in policy, in rules, in monetization. A lot of things just went down on TikTok. Hence the reason why people are no longer making money on TikTok, and a lot of creators are just abandoning TikTok and focusing their energy on Facebook and YouTube, which are they feel like those apps now pay more than TikTok. But in this video, I'll be showing you 4 different ways you can still make money on TikTok with or without the Creators Reward Program. Before we start talking about how to actually make money on TikTok, let me tell you some of the reasons why people are no longer getting paid on TikTok, or people are no longer earning much money on TikTok. The first reason is because content creation now is saturated. Compared to like 3 or 4 years back when we still have a few content creators, now in this era, everybody wants to be a content creator. In fact, everybody is a content creator in 2026. So now the competition in the creative industry is getting more and more intense, and all these platforms that a lot of people are now working to start making money from it, they need to pay all of these creators now, right? The money must reach everybody. It has to reach everybody. The second reason why creators are no longer getting paid on TikTok now is the monetization rule, the TikTok monetization rule. People are actually making a living from TikTok before last year. A lot of people quit their job to focus on TikTok. Just after the transfer of ownership and everything that went down last year, just imagine someone that makes $2,000, $3,000 every single month on TikTok is now struggling to make up to $500 or $800 monthly. Before now, viewers are just expected to watch your video for like 5 seconds and it will count towards your earnings. But now, viewers are expected to watch your videos for 30 seconds. And people's attention span are very, very short. And with them doing that, you can never earn anything from their view. As if that was not enough, your views are supposed to come from the For You page, from the FYP. So anybody that goes to TikTok now to search for your content, you're not getting paid for that particular search because the view is not coming from the For You page. The person went to search for your name on TikTok to watch your content. Another reason why people are no longer getting paid on TikTok is because of AI recycling content. People now use AI to copy other people's content and post it as an AI content. Since AI content blew up on the internet, people's creativity has just gone down. Nobody is even thinking on how to, make better content or how to be creative with their content. We now have a lot more lazy creators because the AI will just do everything for you. But people are actually forgetting that AI can never replace human beings, because AI works based on command, not human feelings. But regardless of all these things that is going on with TikTok, TikTok still remains the 4th largest search engine in the world. It was never designed to just make creators rich from just posting content and getting paid from their views. I'm here to tell you that you can still make money from TikTok even without the Creators Reward Program. The Creators Reward Program is not the only way for you to make money on TikTok. There are other ways you can still make money. The first way for you to make money on TikTok is by selling your product and services. Let's say you are a business owner, you can actually get an audience on TikTok. Aside from that, you can also offer those services that those skills that you have learned, you can offer them as services on TikTok. People that are looking for people to audit their page, people that are teaching content creation, people that are teaching video editing, people that are teaching people how to monetize and all that. All these things are services you can offer on TikTok and still earn cool money. I mean, people are on TikTok. It's very easy for you to get to more audience on TikTok than any other social media platform you can think of. Another way for you to make money on TikTok is by brand collaboration. This is maybe the simplest one that people know. Getting brand deals, brands reaching out to you to work with you, either maybe by paid collaboration, gifted collaboration, PR and all that. Another way for you to make money on TikTok is by affiliate marketing. People make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you advertise someone else's product, people get to buy that product, and the owner of that product pays you for selling their product. They pay you a commission. For people that stay in the UK, US region, you are open to the TikTok shop. You can go to TikTok shop, source for products that people are looking for and actually come to your page to start talking about these things. You can either be an affiliate, maybe on Seller, Expertinia, and all that. You just go there, look for a product that, and I'm not talking about a physical product, that is an ebook kind of product, ebook. You look for the ones that that people can buy easily from you. You come to your TikTok page, talk about them, put the links. When people buy from this your link, you are getting paid. People are always coming on the internet to look for solutions to their problem. People are always searching on TikTok for one thing or the other. And because TikTok is very easy to reach more audience, there is a lot of answers to people's problem on TikTok. So you coming on here to talk about your product is also a win-win for you. Another way for you to make money is by live streaming. You can be a live streamer, you can be a gamer on TikTok. When you are doing a match with people or playing games with people, people gift you on the live stream. See all those roses and all those donuts and all those things that are giving people on their live stream. Those are money. You can convert them to money later and you can withdraw that directly to your bank accounts. And let me shock you, people that actually do live streaming make more money than people that are waiting to get paid by the Creators Reward Program. So because the Creators Reward Program doesn't pay much, doesn't mean that TikTok is now entirely useless. TikTok is not entirely useless. You can still use TikTok to your advantage, especially if you're a business owner. You can come on here and advertise your product, get your customers, send out your orders and all those good stuff, okay? And that's all for this video. So if you're a small creator that is trying to grow on TikTok and you are facing some challenges on TikTok, or maybe you can't find your way around TikTok, just drop it for me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply to your comment or make a detailed video to, explain some of the things you still need to know about TikTok and TikTok monetization. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for relatable beginner growth tips like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.